Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about an owl in Grow a Garden 2. So guys, owl is one of the pets from Grow a Garden 2, and this is a common pet, this one. Basically, it can extend your views distance by 12.5% at night and hoots loudly when a rare pet spawns. Okay, and if you want to obtain an owl, you need to wait for it to respawn. Pet will respawn on the map, guys, and this is the owl. It costs 25k shekels. I've already purchased it. And unlike the Grow a Garden 1, guys, in this Grow a Garden 2 game, pet can be found spawning randomly around the map. Each spawned pet is marked with a countdown timer and indicating how long it will remain before disappearing. And yeah, you can click on buy if you want to buy it. Just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain an owl and Grow a Garden 2 and what the owl can do in this game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.